Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting episode of Less for More, the show where I show you how to do amazing DIY projects, to event recipes that you can make for your family and friends, to photography, travel, and much more. Today I'm going to show you an amazing recipe you can make on the go that's full of protein, will keep you filled up, and will have you out the door on your way to success. So stay tuned.
Ain't nothing better than watching you smile. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ain't nothing better than watching you laugh out loud, my baby. Ain't nothing better than watching you be you. Ain't nothing better than right now. In your eyes lie the secrets I don't wanna miss. Put your hand in my hand and make a fist. Grab my shirt, curl your lip as if you know. Staring back in my eyes saying please don't go.
Alrighty folks, as you can see we have all our ingredients laid out, and I'm going to be showing you how to make an amazing egg salad sandwich delight. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already pre-boiled my eggs. We have a little bit of dressing here, our protein cheese, and something I like to call Less's special all-inclusive seasoning, which includes red peppers, garlic, onion powder, Saison, and of course, everyone, you know what I like. What can you guess? Emerald's Essence. So let's do it. Alright folks, you're going to go ahead and spread your dressing on now, okay? I've pre-cut up the eggs. I'm going to lay them out evenly across the bread, like this, like so. You can use 2 eggs or 1, doesn't matter. More protein, more eggs, more cheese, okay? Take your cheese here, 2 slices. Again, the more ingredients you use, the longer this will last in your day. Take your all-inclusive seasoning, sprinkle that on there. Look at that, look at that. Close it up. And there you go folks, an amazing sandwich you can take with you. You can store this in the refrigerator, or if you boil your eggs hot, fresh and ready in the morning, you can have it on the road to go with your favorite cup of coffee or chai tea latte. That's it for today's episode folks. If you enjoyed it, please stay tuned for more by liking and subscribing. Leave your comments below if there's anything you'd like me to cover. I will definitely be paying attention to those comments. Thank you for watching, and this is Less for More signing out.